Today, we are making light soup, or otherwise called tomato pepper soup. This soup has been my go to anytime I have had a fever or a cold, or anytime I feel as though it should be a soup day. Soups are mostly liquid. Due to this, they are a great way to stay hydrated and full. They are nutritious, quick, and easy to make, and can support a healthy weight loss. Let's get started. We'll need one large yellow onion, four large tomatoes and two habaneros, three large purple onions and one habanero, a thumb sized ginger, four medium sized cloves of garlic, tripe or any protein of choice, some meat or any protein of choice. I'm using 2 to 4 pounds of each, but any quantity can be used. We'll also need 1 tablespoon onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper powder, a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 cup to half a cup of tomato paste. The tomato paste is entirely optional. Begin by chopping your red or purple onions to be blended with your ginger and your garlic, as well as one habanero. This mixture would be used together with your powdered seasoning to season your meat and your tripe. Place your tomatoes, remaining habaneros, yellow onion onto your seasoned meat and tripe and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes on medium to high heat. And if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to support this channel by giving me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you have not yet, and turn on your notification bell so you do not miss any new videos. After 15 to 20 minutes, take out your semi-cooked onion, tomatoes, and habaneros to be blended. I ended up splitting my protein in half because my pot was way too small to accommodate all my ingredients. Because I split my protein in half, I ended up blending 2 tomatoes and 1 habanero per pot of protein. After blending, you can dilute the mixture with 2 cups of water like I did, or leave the mixture as is if you prefer a thicker consistency. After pouring in your mixture or diluted mixture, include your canned tomatoes. Also, blend the onion you took out with the tomatoes and pour it into your soup. Allow to simmer for 5 to 10 minutes after you have added all ingredients. And that's it, you are done. You can add any vegetables of choice to this soup, eat it with fufu, or drink it as is. Either way, it is absolutely delicious. If you want to know how I make my very low carb fufu, it is linked right up here. Until next time, remember to be beautiful, be bold, be true to yourself and to others. Stay healthy and always be you.